Hi guys, today we see how to mount the action camera on the helmet. We require camera mounts which come along with the action camera. M-seal and emery paper. We have to fix this mount like this, but there is some gap on the sides as the area is not flat. So we use M-seal to make a flat surface. First we need to rub the surface using emery paper so that it gets good grip when we stick the M-seal. Now it's done. Let's prepare the paste by taking equal proportion of resin base in M-seal and mix it well. It becomes a sticky and jelly now. Now spread this over the rubbed surface to make a flat layer. This is ready now. We have to fix the mount over this. Press it hardly and make sure it's fitted properly. Remove the excess M-seal layer in the corners and keep it for a few minutes in sunlight so that it will get dried and stick. Now I am just holding the mount. See how strong it is sticked. Let's assemble the parts. Please follow the same. Now the mount is ready. We have to fix this part on the helmet mount. Place the camera and screw it tightly. That's all guys, everything is ready now. This is how we have to mount the action camera on the helmet. Without drill we can do easily like this. I hope you like this video. Please share to your friends and do subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.